Hi friends, and welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you a feature that has saved my life and my bank account more than a few times, and that's AWS Budgets. With a budget, you can say, here's the maximum amount I want to spend this month, and if I get close to that amount, or it looks like I might go over that, a forecast in other words, then notify me so I can go take a look and shut things down if I need to. So to get there, just type in Budgets. Now you do need to be logged in as your root account for this, so if you're not, you'll get some kind of a permissions error when you get to this page, so just a heads up there. But let's start by creating a budget. You can actually create budgets for more than just cost. You can do budgets around usage, savings plans, or reservations. Most common though is probably cost, and that's what we're going to choose, so we'll leave that selected and say next. We'll give this budget a name. Let's say training account, $20 per month. Then down here for period, we'll go with monthly. You can choose something as granular as daily though, or quarterly or annually. We'll go with recurring, so this will renew on the first day of every monthly billing period. Start it this month. And we'll go with a fixed amount. There's other options here as well. And then here's where you enter that number. So we're going to go with $20. Scrolling down, it is possible to filter by specific services here. So let's say we'll add a filter. You only want to monitor costs for service and EC2 instances. And then you say apply filter. There's a lot of other filters here you can apply as well. I'm just going to go with everything though, so I'll remove the filters. And then back here we'll just say all AWS services. So all up, track what I'm spending. There are more advanced options down here as well around aggregation and so forth, but for what we're doing, we're just going to keep it simple and go next. Now for alerts, you definitely want to set this up. This is how you're going to be notified if you're getting close to that amount. So we'll add an alert threshold. And let's just say that when we get to 80% of our budgeted amount, which was $20, so when we get to $16 basically, and this should be triggered based on actual costs. Pretty cool though, you can also trigger this based on forecasted cost, but we'll go with actual. And then I want to send an email. I'll just type in my email here. You can also use Amazon Simple Notification Service or SNS or chatbot alerts, but we're just going to go with good old-fashioned email and then scrolling down. Next. Actions are optional, but you could do something here like shutting down an EC2 instance if you've gone over budget, for example. We're just going to skip this part and say next. Review everything here and create budget. So that's how you work with budgets. You'll see on the top one there, that was a budget that I had previously for $10 per month. I also had another one for $20 per month that I have since deleted, but you'll see that I went way over budget last month due to a SageMaker billing change. And I did get the email for that, so let me just show you what that looks like. So this was the email for my $20 budget that I previously had, saying that you've exceeded $16 a month, so that 80% threshold that I set up, and here's your actual costs. So I got this email, I rushed right out there to try to figure out what was going on. In this particular case, it actually took me a few days, but most of the times it'll be an easy thing to figure out what you've left running or something that you've just forgotten about. So I would highly recommend setting up a budget if you're doing any kind of work in AWS, whether it's for business or personal use. It's quick, it's free to do, and it could end up saving you a lot of money one day. So there you go. That's how to set up a budget and notifications to avoid any surprise bills. If you found it helpful, I would really appreciate that thumbs up, and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.